Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to win Quick Drop every time. This popular arcade game challenges you to drop 50 red balls into a series of rotating buckets within a strict time limit, typically between 20 and 30 seconds. The ultimate objective is to fill all the buckets to secure the coveted jackpot. While it sounds simple, mastering Quick Drop demands keen observation, precise timing, and consistent execution. Let's dive into the strategies that will help you achieve victory. Understanding the core mechanics is crucial for Quick Drop success. The game features 5 rotating buckets that continuously pass beneath a single ball dispenser. You press a button to release each ball, aiming to land it perfectly into a bucket. The time limit for dropping all 50 balls can vary, typically from 22 to 30 seconds. Importantly, the current jackpot value often reflects the machine's difficulty setting. A higher jackpot usually means the game is in an easier mode, offering a slightly longer time limit. To consistently win, employ precision drop techniques. The most common strategy is to aim for 4 balls in each of the 12 buckets. However, if the jackpot is lower, indicating a harder setting, you might need to get 5 balls into at least 2 buckets and 4 into the remaining 10. Look for a small ridge on the top of each cylinder. Lining this up with your drop point is key. Maintain a consistent, centered body position to ensure your drops are as repeatable and accurate as possible. Finally, practice and strategic jackpot observation are vital. Regular play will significantly enhance your hand-eye coordination and refine your timing. A smart strategy is to wait until the jackpot reaches a higher value, often around 700 tickets or more. At these higher levels, the game typically grants a few extra seconds, making it considerably easier to achieve the 50-ball target. Remember, patience and dedicated observation of the machine's patterns will lead to consistent Quick Drop victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.